Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll cook the tastiest burger you have ever eaten. A recipe of that crispy roast potato in suggested video. For 3 burgers we will need about 1 pound of minced beef, 1 medium onion finely chopped, salt and black pepper to taste, breadcrumbs, 3 brioche buns, I prefer with sesame seeds on top, 1 big ripe juicy tomato, few leaves of crisp lettuce, 1 red onion, 2-3 pickles, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon mustard, smoked Tabasco to taste, 1/4 cup of blue cheese, and 3 slices of your favorite cheese which is perfectly melting. And we're starting with cutting each brioche bun in half. Then slice red onion into the rings. Mix Worcestershire sauce with smoked Tabasco. Put onion rings into a bowl and pour over with this mixture. Season minced beef with salt and pepper, add chopped onion and thoroughly mix. Divide it into 3 parts and form the burgers. Try to make your burgers with the same diameter as brioche buns. Lightly roll them in the breadcrumbs. Subscribe to get notifications when we upload our new delicious video recipes. Preheat your oven up to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Place dry pan on a high heat and toast your buns from the both sides until golden and crispy. Then remove crumbs from the pan and add 2 tablespoons sunflower oil. Add pinch of salt on nothing stick and fry your burgers about 1-2 minutes on each side. Put fried burgers on a grill rack, sprinkle with the blue cheese and cover with slices of cheese. Place grill rack into the oven for 5 minutes or until cheese melts. Meanwhile, slice pickles and tomato. For more delicious recipes, go to our website rednumber1.com. It's time to assemble our epic burgers. Mix mustard with mayo and top with the sauce inner surface of buns. If you like this video, give us big thumbs up and subscribe. Put couple of lettuce leaves and then land our burgers with the nice melted cheese. Drizzle with a bit of green Tabasco if desired. The next layer is marinated onion rings. Delicious. Now pickles, tomato, 1 more lettuce leaf, and voila! Our epic burger is ready. Serve it with tomato sauce, fresh chili or jalapeno. Try this magic burger with incredibly delicious roast potato. Recipe in suggested video. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe.